Hey guys, I wanted to show you guys something really cool that we figured out. It is a proof of concept, so it's not something we're implementing right now, but it's pretty neat. So we're going to show you. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be updating the cost item pricing in our catalog using ChatGPT, and here's what that looks like. We'll start by coming into Jobtread, our catalog, and let's say we want to download all of the plants. We're going to go to the view that we've set up for plants, hit this little gear icon, and then we're going to hit export. And this is going to be how we export only select items out of the catalog instead of the entire catalog. If you want to export the entire catalog, regardless of what's in the view here, this export button will bring and download the entire catalog. So that's just a way to get kind of like just the pieces that you need. Then we're going to take that and we're going to put it into a spreadsheet, and we're going to use Google Sheets, which is basically Google's free version of Microsoft Excel if you're unfamiliar, and you use it within the web browser. And that'll be important because of the functionality that we're going to use here. So this may look familiar. You download your catalog, you've got your trees, and we kind of know what this looks like here. Then when we get our updated pricing from our nursery, here's the struggle, is that it looks like this. We've got kind of this category, it's kind of split up, and there's some time to go through here, move columns and format in a way so that we can upload it into Jobtread. So what we figured out is we can come to the catalog. We want to update this price. We're going to insert a column to the right just so we can keep track of it. We're going to highlight these guys. And then we're going to use an extension, which is an add-on for GPT for Sheets. And essentially you go to openA.com and you sign up for an API. You come into Google Sheets, you add this extension and add your API key, and now you get this new function called GPT. And now we've got this syntax of the GPT prompt, which looks like this. You added the prompt, you put in a value, temperature, and then which model you want to use. So that's the syntax of what that function looks like. Then we will do something like this. And we're going to add a formula. And what this formula is going to say is we're going to concatenate. This is how we string words and sentences together as one complete sentence within Google Sheets. And we're going to say find the matching item for B4, which is this cell. So it's going to take this name and then find the price and then output the price only. And it's going to look through the database, which is basically this spreadsheet here, the plant sheet. Look through that database and produce the price. Oh, and it looks like it produced it already. So there it is. And so what this function is doing is it's looking at the plants, it's finding the tree for the Fox Valley Dwarf River, and it's updating that price. And because it's in a spreadsheet, we can do this cool thing where we spread it down, and now ChatGPT is going through that data and finding the matching price for the plant. And since I'm using the same pricing as what's existing, we can see that we've got a match all the way through. So I don't know, this is just like a fun thing that we found out and came up with and wanted to share it just because it's fun. So yeah, that's a way to use ChatGPT in Google Sheets to update your catalog cost items from a supplier who's given you their material list in a spreadsheet form. So that's it. Thanks.